In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use contactless card on bus. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you general instructions on how to use your contactless card to pay for your bus ride. It's a very easy process, and you have to keep in mind that there might be slight variations depending on the bus operator and your region. So first, before you're board, check your card. Make sure that your debit or credit card or whatever other card you are using has the contactless symbol. As you can see, this is the usual contactless symbol indicator with four wavy lines. This indicates that it supports contactless payments. Most major networks like Visa, MasterCard, and Maestro are accepted, but you should always check with your bank and make sure that your specific card has the functionality. Sometimes you might be able to manage the card and enable or disable it through the mobile app. So when you actually board the bus, look for the reader. Most buses will have a designated contactless card reader displayed near the entrance. It might be a pad or a small terminal. Like I said, for this video, I cannot give you specific instructions for every single bus in every single region. But as long as you find this reader, all that you have to do is tap your card. So hold your contactless card near the reader. This will give you a beep, which should be a sound indicator, or a light signal as a visual indicator indicating a successful payment. Make sure that you keep your card or device close to the reader, not the screen or other parts of the machine. So look for the actual reader. And you might have to optionally inform the driver. In some cases, it might be helpful to let the bus driver know that you will be paying contactlessly before tapping your card. So once you collect your ticket, which might also be optional, you will be able to just board and enjoy your ride. Some important things to remember are the daily fare caps. So many bus operators have daily fare caps. This means that after a certain amount is spent on travel in a day, further journeys on the same card will not be charged. You have a minimum spend where there might be a minimum amount required for contactless payments on some buses, and you should always check with the bus operator beforehand if you are unsure. And if you are traveling with others, each person will need to tap their own contactless card to pay their fare. You cannot use a single card for multiple fares. I hope I was able to help you on how to use contactless card on bus. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.